Hello guys, I hope you're quite well. These are Corlapze business cards. You can easily learn from the link in the description. This is my website build GFX, and here I provide free graphic template and you can download from here. And here this is two folders in Adobe Illustrator format and EPS format, you can see, and EPS format. Let me show you. If you click here, this is a completely customizable this EPS format. So a little, let me see, and here this is the card too. Is in published format. This is fully customizable template, and here you can see you can add your own text, address, phone number, email, and Corlapze agency. You can type your own company brand over here, so on. Completely customizable. And this is first, and here it is second. Right, the second is the same thing that I show in the EPS format, but here it is in Adobe Illustrator, completely customizable. So you can see, and go to quality actually. So that's in the video. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video useful. Take care.